is Kara Messick. I'm a branch assistant for the Wacomico Public Libraries at the Center Branch, and today we're going to be making shaving cream rain clouds as part of our Cozy Crafting program. Take and Make kits will actually be available at our Center Branch location, so if you have one of those kits, you want to have that ready now. Otherwise, all supplies can be found at your local Walmart. This is very simple, very basic. All you need is some foam shaving cream. Definitely make sure it's white. This is food coloring, any color that you like. I'm using blue, but you want to make sure it's something dark enough to show up. And you'll need a glass. It could be a drinking glass, a mason jar, anything that's tall enough for you to put the shaving cream in. And I'm using a popsicle stick. You could use a plastic knife or a spoon or something that will be able to make the shaving cream flat. So let's get started. I also have some paper towels here, just in case messes happen. So I've already filled my jar with some warm water. I'm going to add our shaving cream here. So, little side note, the higher that you pile up your shaving cream, the longer it will take for the color to drip down. So I'm just going to put this over all the open spaces here. So I'm adding several drips into each spot. There we go. So while we're watching, let's talk about why this works. The shaving cream is actually lighter than the water. That's why it floats, kind of like a cloud floating above the sky. The food coloring is the same consistency or weight fluid as the water is. So when we add the food coloring to the shaving cream, it becomes too heavy for the cream to hold. So the color filters through the shaving cream and creates the rain effect. This is how rain works. When a cloud becomes too full of extra moisture, the heavy moisture falls out of the clouds and rain is formed. Thank you so much for joining us today at Wacomico Public Libraries. We hope you enjoy your colors, and we'll see you next time.